Hi guys, welcome back to Learn Tech School, and today we are going to learn on how to file NIL return in KRA iTax website. Okay, let us head over to the KRA iTax website portal. So if it is your first time being here, I'll kindly ask of you to give a video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more information relating to KRA on any other subject that we teach in this platform. So filing of NIL returns is only meant for students and also meant for those people who haven't been employed and those who are out of employment. But if you are employed, this video is not meant for you. So if you're filing NIL return, it should automatically come into iTax website portal like it is here, and then you key in your PIN number, then you click continue on this. Then if you click continue on this, or you place in your password here, then you carry out this sum that is here, 71 minus 13, that will be 58. If that's the answer, then click on log in. Then automatically it will be logging in. Then afterwards, you will go to return section on your menu, this place, and you click on filing NIL return in this section here. Then it will take you to this page, and you make sure everything is okay here. Taxpayer's PIN number and plus subject here. You're going to select the subject. So the subject here is going to be income tax for residential. Then you click on next button. Then after clicking on next button here, you check everything is okay. Remember, you're filing the last year's returns, not this year returns. If everything is okay, you click on the submit button. Then it will ask you this, dear customer, filing NIL returns is only applicable in cases where you have no transaction to declare for the period, or are you sure you want to file NIL returns? You click OK, yes. Then you click that way. Then afterwards you can download your receipts here with all information. That's all about filing NIL returns in KRA website. Okay, lastly, I'll ask of you to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, and goodbye. See you in the next video.